we start with a preparatory exercise, which we do most of the time, to address the 3 dimensions in us, the verticality, the left and right, and the spatial dimension. Just feel your center, feel your heart, arrive at yourself, feel your body. Slowly go down, feel downwards through the body into the earth, and experience that this becoming roots even lets you grow a little bit. You feel rooted and upright at the same time. Use your body to sense into the left-right dimension. Which one first doesn't matter. I take my right side and I follow this pull to the right side a little bit. Then I follow the pull to the left side. And my heart is in the center again. Then I take both forces into consideration, using the uprightness and the space from left and right to create a surrounding gesture, the O. And fill this gesture with warmth, light and love. And also experience that something similar happens in my back. So I'm not falling forward, but I'm held between in front and behind. Slowly I let go, but the energy stays in my body and around me. I put one foot into the middle, the other one also, and I'm centered again. Let your breath react. Make a little step backwards or forwards just for a reset, and repeat it a second time without me talking too much. Feel your center. Go through your body, down into the earth. Feel its uprightness. Sense the plane on one side, follow it. Sense the right-left plane on the other side. Be centered again. Use them to form the O gesture. Feel the O gesture with your energy. Let your breath, your chest react. Slowly let go and let your breath flow.